hope you're well. So today I thought I'd do a video that is quite cool. This is a video about my current wig collection. I think wigs are a really good thing, and I've been speaking to quite a lot of people. I think there's a general misconception that only a certain race is meant to wear wigs, and you guys know what I mean. And I don't think that that's the case. I mean, it's a great way to change your hair without the permanency that comes with it. And you could switch it up for different occasions. I have wigs for work, and I have wigs for example, this wig on my head, I'd wear it to a certain occasion. I usually wear it wet, so I'm going to show you a range of my wigs and how I have fun with changing my hair. Let me know which one you guys like the most, and share the word, like let everyone know that they can change their hair whenever they like. So I'll see you in my next video, and take care. Bye.